Hello, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-Garde Books. Today, we are going to learn about birds. That's right, the beautiful animals that fly in the sky. So before we get started, I would like for you to get in a very comfortable place and just get relaxed so that we can learn about the names of birds. Bluebird, bluebird, bluebird. Blue jay, blue jay. Buzzard, buzzard. Canary, canary. The yellow bird you see on the screen is a canary. Boys and girls, these are cardinals. Cardinals. Chickens, chickens. The birds on the screen are chickens. This is a condor. Condor. Crane. Crane. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. Cuckoo, cuckoo. That is a cuckoo bird. Duck, duck. The bird on your screen is a duck. The majestic bird you see, boys and girls, is an eagle. Eagle, a bald eagle. Now that bird is an emu. An emu. Falcon. Falcon, the bird on the screen is a falcon. Now you see a finch. Finch. The bird is a finch. These birds are geese. Geese. If it's one bird, it would be called a goose. But when it is more than one bird and they are flying together, they are called geese. Geese. This is a hawk. Hawk. The bird on the screen is a hawk. Heron. Heron. The bird on the screen is a heron. Boys and girls, this interesting little bird is called a hoopoe. A hoopoe. Sometimes people will say a hoopoe. Hoopoe. Here is a hummingbird. Hummingbird. The beautiful bird on your screen, boys and girls, is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. Here's another beautiful bird, boys and girls. It's called a magpie. Magpie. This is a mallard. Mallard. The bird on your screen, boys and girls, is called a mockingbird. Mockingbird. This big and fast bird is called an ostrich. Boys and girls, ostrich. Boys and girls, here is another majestic bird. It's called an owl. Owl. Now I'm going to play a video where you can hear some of the sounds of different kinds of owls. Listen carefully. Now that's a barn owl. Barn owl. This is an eastern screech owl. Eastern screech owl. This is a western screech owl, boys and girls. A western screech owl. That's a barred owl, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, that was Cornell University, Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Great job, boys and girls, for listening. Boys and girls, these beautiful birds are called parakeet. That's right, parakeet. Here's another exotic looking bird. It's called a parrot. A parrot. This bird's feathers are so beautiful. This bird is called a peacock. Peacock. Pelican. Boys and girls, this bird is a pelican. Boys and girls, have you ever thought about learning more about birds and studying them? Well, if you have, you would later become an ornithologist. Ornithologist. This is a person who studies birds. Say that word after me. Ornithologist. Ornithologist. Karina Newsom is an ornithologist. This bird lives in the North and South Pole. It's called a penguin. Boys and girls, this is a penguin. Pigeon. The bird on your screen is a pigeon. Here's another beautiful bird, boys and girls. It's called a raven. Raven. Robin. Robin. Stork. Stork. This cute fella is called a swallow. Swallow. These are swans. Swans. Boys and girls, this bird is called a toucan, or some people will say a toucan. They love fruit. Toucan. Turkey. Boys and girls, the bird on your screen is called a turkey. Now, boys and girls, this is a vulture. Vulture. Here's another special bird. It's called a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Wonderful, boys and girls. This is our last slide. I just want you to know how proud I am of you. Remember, your learning potential is limitless. Now, do you remember what we call a person who studies birds? You are so right. That person is called an ornithologist. An ornithologist. And this wildlife professor, well, he is an ornithologist. And maybe you will become an ornithologist too, to save our birds and care for our beautiful birds. Well, boys and girls, thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-Garde Books. Have a beautiful day.